This video is about some helpful tools. MYOB has some smart tools to help reduce keystrokes, which can really speed up your data processing. The calendar feature is great if you haven't got a calendar handy and need to enter a particular date like the last Friday of the month, or would like to look at previous or next month's days and dates. The calendar feature is available in any date field within any of the command centres. To display the calendar, place the cursor in a date field and press your spacebar. Here's a date field already highlighted, and if we hit the spacebar, a calendar appears. You can arrow back over previous months or arrow forward. When you click on a date, that will automatically be entered into the date field. Another feature you can use in a date field is to increase the date or decrease the date. Simply highlight the date and press plus or minus on your keyboard. Plus takes you forward and minus takes you back. This saves a lot of time, especially if you are entering transactions from your bank statement in date order and need to change the date every few transactions. A calculator is also available to simplify calculating and entering numeric data, including money amounts, item quantities and units. The calculator is available in every window where you can enter numeric data. Simply place the cursor in a numeric field and hit your spacebar. This gives you a calculator that can add, subtract, multiply and divide. When you enter an equation and you click on equals, it places it into the numeric field. Other numeric fields include items, where you can use the calculator to work out prices. For example, numeric field, calculator, by hitting the spacebar, and you can do your calculation here. Another helpful tool is you can right click your mouse in any window and there will be a menu with shortcuts to choose from. For example, in the sales window, if you right click, the shortcut menu offers you to erase a sale, find a transaction, help for this window, or tell me how, to enter sales, changing the status of a sale, or tracking reimbursable expenses. The help for this window is a larger window that has several other options to choose from. Primarily it's about sales, but you also can look at other options. Another tool I use quite frequently to not use my mouse as much is the Alt underscore option. What that means is that if you hold down Alt on your keyboard and hit the alphabetical letter above the underscore, it will do what it's got tabbed here. So for example, Alt O will record a transaction, Alt A will cancel a transaction. If you look around MYOB, you'll see a lot of letters with underscores. This is what Alt G will register, Alt T will give you the layout, etc, etc. And you'll see it throughout the command center. I hope you find some of these tools helpful.